It is divided into 4 parts: statement of the problem, results and discussions, conclusions, and recommendation. As for the statement of the problem, the researcher assessed the university's sustainability and empowerment on educational leadership in China as basis for creation of environmental program for sustainable progress among universities. Specifically, the researcher provided answers on the following questions. 1. What is the profile of the respondents in terms of age, sex, and years in service? 2. What is the assessment of the respondents on the environmentally focused initiatives implemented in the participant university in China as to environmental management system, public participation, social responsibility, and sustainability teaching and research? And is there a significant difference on the assessment of the respondents on the environmentally focused initiatives implemented when profile is used as test factor? And 4. What is the assessment of the respondents on the level of effectiveness of university sustainability towards green-driven progress as to university leadership, sustainability-oriented education, university culture, sustainability knowledge, sustainability commitment, attitude towards sustainability, and sustainability activities participation? And 5. Is there a significant difference on the assessment of the respondents on the effectiveness of university sustainability when grouped according to profile? And what is the assessment of the respondents on the level of effectiveness of educational leadership towards green-driven progress in terms of green work engagement, green organizational citizenship behavior, green organizational identification, and green inclusive leadership? And 7. Is there a significant leadership relationship between effectiveness of university sustainability and educational leadership towards green-driven progress? And 8. Based on the results of the study, what environmental program can be created for green-driven progress that will strengthen university sustainability and empower educational leadership? As for the hypothesis of the study, the following hypotheses are tested as level of confidence. 1. There is no significant difference on the assessment of the respondents on the environmentally focused initiatives implemented when grouped according to profile. 2. There is no significant difference on the assessment of the respondents on the effectiveness of university sustainability when profile is used as text factor. And 3. There is no significant relationship between effectiveness of university sustainability and educational leadership towards green-driven progress. Results and discussions. 1. Profile of the respondents. As to age, data shows that out of 473 respondents, 3,094 or 83.3% are 36 years old and above. Hence, only one respondent or 0.2% is 25 years old or younger. As to sex, data reveals that 303, or 64.1%, are male out of 473 respondents. Hence, 170, or 35.9%, are female. As to years in service, data shows that most respondents have served for 15 years or more, with 185 individuals, or 39.1% of the total, while the smallest group has less than 5 years of experience, with 31, or 60%. As to classification, the data reveals that 355 respondents, or 74.6%, are teachers or professors, while 120, or 25.4%, are department heads or deans. Assessment of the respondents on the environmentally focused initiatives implemented. Data exhibits that two indicators, public participation and social responsibility, are rated as implemented, while environmental management system and sustainability teaching and research are rated as moderately implemented. Public participation received the highest combined mean of 3.8, with department heads rating it 4.02 and teachers 3.73. Social responsibility followed with a combined mean of 3.56, rated higher by department heads 3.97, then teachers 3.41. Environmental management system had a mean of 3.18, and sustainability teaching and research was rated the lowest at 3.14. The composite mean of 3.42 indicates a moderate overall implementation of sustainability initiatives. Significant difference on the assessment of the respondents on the environmentally focused initiatives implemented. As to age, it is noted that two of the variables tested are interpreted as significant, which are sustainability in teaching and research, and the environmental management system, while the other two tested variables, such as public participation and social responsibility, are not significant. Moreover, the overall F value is 2.39, with a corresponding significance value of 0.09, leading to the decision to accept the null hypothesis. This indicates that there is no significant difference in the respondents' overall assessment of these initiatives based on their age. As to sex, data demonstrates that all tested variables are not significant. The overall t-value is 0.53, with a corresponding